Moisture Cure roof coatings offer exceptional performance in challenging environments, especially for flat or low-slope roofing systems exposed to standing water, humidity, and fluctuating temperatures. However, these coatings require special care when it comes to storage, handling, and application, particularly in regions like Los Angeles, CA, where conditions can vary from dry heat to coastal moisture. In this blog, we'll explore the best practices for storing and working with moisture cure coatings to help you get the most from your investment. What are moisture cure coatings? The basics. Moisture cure coatings are single-component systems that begin curing when exposed to atmospheric moisture. Unlike other types of coatings that rely on UV light or chemical activators, these products pull moisture from the air to harden and form a waterproof barrier, making them ideal for environments with unpredictable humidity or areas where it's difficult to control ambient conditions, a reality for many rooftops in the Los Angeles area. Where they're used, moisture cure coatings are often applied to metal and concrete roofs, modified bitumen systems, previously coated surfaces, and areas with ponding water concerns. They're commonly formulated using polyurethane or hybrid bases and are valued for their adhesion, elasticity, and ability to resist water, UV radiation, and foot traffic. Best practices for storing moisture. Cure coatings. 1. Keep containers sealed. Once opened, these coatings begin reacting with air moisture immediately. Always reseal containers tightly after use and use foil, plastic wrap, or nitrogen blankets to minimize air exposure inside the container if storing leftover material. 2. Store. In cool, dry areas, keep containers in a well-ventilated, temperature-controlled space, ideally between 60-degree Fahr and 80-degree hours. Avoid storing in areas with high humidity or direct sunlight. Consider using climate-controlled storage cabinets in hot Los Angeles garages or warehouses. 3. Monitor shelf life. Every coating has a manufacturer-specified shelf life. Check batch codes and expiration dates regularly, as expired product may not cure correctly, resulting in weak adhesion or poor performance. 4. Avoid contamination. Keep tools and hands clean when dipping into containers. Introducing dirt, moisture, or foreign materials can cause premature curing inside the bucket, rendering the product unusable. Application tips. Working with moisture cure. Coatings. 1. Prepare the surface. Surface preparation is key. Clean the substrate thoroughly to remove dirt, oils, or loose debris. In Los Angeles, smog and dust buildup can compromise adhesion, so pressure washing is often recommended. 2. Apply in controlled conditions. While moisture cure coatings can handle humid conditions, avoid application during heavy rain or fog, as excess surface moisture can interfere with adhesion. Ideal humidity levels for application range from 40% to 70%. 3. Use immediately after opening. Use the contents promptly once the container is opened. Leaving the coating exposed to open air for extended periods will cause the material to skin over or begin curing in the pail. 4. Use the right equipment. Depending on the product's viscosity, moisture cure coatings can be applied with a roller, brush, or airless sprayer. Use low-pressure settings to avoid introducing air bubbles, and clean equipment immediately after use to avoid hardening. Post-application considerations. Curing time. These coatings typically cure within 2 to 24 hours, depending on humidity and temperature. In dry climates like Los Angeles, you may notice slightly slower curing. Avoid walking on the surface until fully cured, especially in high-traffic areas. Recoating windows. Some moisture cure products require a specific recoat window. Exceeding that time may require surface abrasion or priming before the next layer. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions closely. Disposal of leftovers. Due to the reactive nature of moisture cure coatings, leftover product may need to be cured before disposal. Check with local hazardous waste disposal facilities to ensure compliance with California regulations. The value of professional application. Although moisture-cure coatings offer flexibility during installation, their sensitivity to environmental factors makes them best handled by professionals. Certified contractors know how to work with weather conditions, prevent premature curing, and ensure product longevity. Companies like Roof Coating Los Angeles are trained in moisture cure systems and understand how to store, mix, and apply them efficiently. Their teams are equipped with the tools and experience to apply coatings that stand up to California's intense sun, unpredictable rain, and high UV exposure. Final thoughts: moisture cure. Roof coatings provide unmatched protection in complex roofing environments, but they demand respect during storage and application. Proper handling ensures the product performs as intended, protects your structure, and delivers the longevity it was designed for. Whether you're planning a roof restoration, waterproofing project, or preventative maintenance coating, understanding how to work with moisture cure materials is key to success. Read also our blog, Best Practices for Applying Silicone Roof Coatings. The post, How to Store and Work with Moisture Cure. Coatings first appeared on Roof Coating Los Angeles.